This is so amazing. This is heaven. Heavenly. Looking at the sun, eating cherimoya, doesn't get better than that. What's going on, my healthy fruit and veggie lovers? This is Kuba and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little mukbang while I eat this beautiful fruit called Cherimoya, which is very popular here in Spain. I'm in Mallorca, although it comes from the mainland, and it is just heavenly. And I wanted to talk about something that triggered me today, and it's about having a plant-based diet, whether it's raw or fully raw or not, but just a diet that's rooted in fruits and vegetables, and how it can make you healthy and strong and really help you with your fitness goals and your health goals. I got triggered because a lot of people think that vegans are deficient or they don't eat enough of the important stuff, they don't get protein and all this. And actually I was triggered from my mom telling me that some of her close people are telling her that she can't live off sprouts and vegetables and she needs more diverse things, which is ironic because she has been feeling better than ever since going vegetarian a couple of years ago and being more and more raw and getting more fresh juices in her diet and fresh fruits and vegetables and sauerkrauts and beets and all these healthy foods that she eats so much more of now and is her foundation for her lifestyle and diet, and she's been feeling so much better. But people are scaring her to maybe go back to the animal kingdom, even though she still does eat some fish. So I just wanted to make this video because I have been more focused on working out lately as opposed to always cleansing and being skinny. And it's not true that you need to eat meat or dairy or all these weird things that we were conditioned to eat our whole lives to be healthy and strong. I don't know if I'm going to do this mukbang because it's going to take a lot of energy to eat and talk at the same time. Let me cut one of these fresh ones, show you how this looks inside. Beautiful, beautiful cherimoya. Definitely one of my top favorite fruits. Lately it's been my favorite fruit. So when you eat the fruits and the vegetables, they are very mucus lean foods. So they don't build up mucus in your body and they help expel mucus. Now obviously it depends. If you're eating too much fat, then that is more mucus producing. But if you keep it cool on the fat and focus on fresh fruits and vegetables, you get all that living nutrition in the foods. When you eat fruits and vegetables, you're getting everything you need in terms of protein and sugar and fat, but you're getting it in a more absorbable manner. So you're getting the amino acids from the fruits and vegetables, and your body uses those amino acids to build the proteins and build muscle and build your body and keep you strong. Whereas if you eat something like a animal product that's rich in protein, your body has to break up that protein into amino acids and then restructure it into protein that is recognizable by your body, that becomes your body. Whereas the other protein is not recognizable, so that's why it has to break it apart into amino acids. And fruit is another example of the highest quality sugar that you can eat. A lot of people are scared of sugar, and complex sugars like breads and pastas and things like this is more work for the body to break down into smaller sugars. Same thing, whereas fruit is just straight up fructose that the body can absorb right away. The blood can recognize it right away. It doesn't need to break it down into smaller sugars. So fruits and vegetables are actually much more efficient for the body, and the animals that people eat to get the things that they need, those animals get it from eating plants, most of them. In fact, cows are a big one, though they are plant-based. What else do people eat? Chickens and pigs and fish. I'd rather go to the plant sources that those animals eat, and if they eat other animals, then the plant sources that those little animals eat or insects eat. Anyways, I've just been frustrated with people trying to tell me that my diet is not healthy when they themselves are not an example of health that I would look up to. So the people that I go to have been eating a raw vegan diet or a fruit-based diet or a living foods-based diet for many years, like 20 plus years, most of the people that I look up to, and they're strong and fit, and a lot of them are in their 60s and 70s and are fitter than I've ever been in my life. So these are the people I'm going to for health advice. I don't listen to what my people in my inner circle are telling me, who themselves are not living a healthy example that I consider healthy or fit even. This is so amazing. This is heaven. Heavenly. Looking at the sun, eating cherimoya, doesn't get better than that. There's a lot of black seeds. You have to spit them out. But man, such a delicious meal. I'm also here without my shirt. I used to make a lot of videos without my shirt, and some of my people would tell me to wear a shirt because otherwise I might lose followers or people might not be into it. But I guess part of this video is just being more like fuck it nowadays. Who cares what people say? I'm pretty tired of the ignorance in the world, and I've been living my life in a way trying not to step on toes and be cool with everyone, and not fully living my truth because I don't want it to seem condescending. I don't want it to seem like I'm against someone, when in my heart I know that the fruits and the vegetables and the mucus-less foods, the foods that clean the system, that are rich in oxygen and structured water and minerals and nutrients and vitamins and enzymes which activate digestion and allow the body to function and everything to work, that come straight from the sunlight energy. Like, I know all this stuff, but I've been keeping it inside just so I can fit in and not step on toes and not trigger anyone, because I notice this is far from mainstream. This has not been taught in school or from our families, and generation to generation we've been taught certain ways to eat, certain foods to eat, certain traditions, and people just accept that as ultimate truth, and anything different, a lot of people either react with denial or frustration or anger and will try to fight me. But I don't ever try to fight people, so that's why I don't say nothing, or I just shut up or be quiet. So I'm doing this for the people who are more open-minded and want to learn and want to try something new. That's what I love about YouTube and Instagram, is I'm here connecting with like-minded people and people who resonate with the message. I know it's not for everyone. I know I can't go around telling everyone to eat fruits and vegetables, to be vegan, because people will just like have barriers up to that. So this is for you who resonate with this living food, fruits and vegetable based diet and lifestyle. You could be healthy and fit eating fruits and vegetables.